I want to conduct textile research that has an immediate effect on the community and create textiles that make a difference. I'm Christopher Hurren, an Associate Professor in Textile Research at Deakin Institute of Frontier Materials. I've done a wide range of research projects since I've been at Deakin University. I've done everything from grinding wool fibres into powder through to some of the work that I'm doing today in motorcycle protective clothing. For me, I really found my niche about 2012, 2013 when I started doing the work in motorcycle protective clothing. And then I found, although I'm a dyer and worked a lot of my life in making things change colour, I found that the mechanical textiles was really my true love. One of the biggest drivers I have in the motorcycle research space is I'm a rider. My son rides, a lot of my friends ride. So for me, being able to do something that may have an influence to make them safer in what they're doing is really important. Most of my research now is really looking at recycling of textiles, being able to reuse textiles at their end of life, and also looking at how we improve protection levels for motorcycle riders. When I look at the future of textiles, my biggest concern is the amount of oil-derived fibres we have at the moment. So typically 70% of our textiles are coming from oil, and we're going to need to look for another source of those textiles. One of those is from new fibres like ulu from seaweed. Others could be natural fibres that are occurring in the environment. But I think one of the biggest things that we're going to need to do is to recycle existing textiles. Because if we can recycle existing textiles, this reduces our reliance on new fibres, which means that we don't have to find them, they're already there. For me, a big step forward in textiles is those renewable source virgin materials, but also recycling what is existing in the process. At Deakin Institute of Frontier Materials, one of our biggest advantages is our facilities and our people. This gives us the capabilities to be able to do incredible research into textiles. Our facilities are going to allow us to develop that next generation of fibres or to reuse existing fibres that are out there. For us, it's very much about working with industry and helping to create the solutions to make a difference in the future. Come and work with us at the Deakin Institute for Frontier Materials to create that next generation of sustainable fibres and textiles.